Do you know that you can be a content creator on YouTube without showing your face and editing skills required? In today's video, discover the latest trending method of YouTube automation with AI, eliminating the need for face-to-camera content and the hassle of editing the video. Expect top-tier insights listed down to start your YouTube journey. As a seasoned content creator with a commitment to free education, your success fuels mine. Let's get started. Step 1. Ever wonder how certain YouTube channels earn millions without ever revealing their faces? Imagine yourself as one of them, making a hefty sum annually. The secret is choosing your niche and having a strategic execution. Now, select a niche that resonates with you, something you're genuinely passionate about. Whether it's motivational content, educational snippets, or tech reviews, find your niche. Consider topics aligned with your interests. It's the key to sustaining your enthusiasm and audience engagement. Next is to generate ideas. What if you're struggling to brainstorm? Well, utilize tools like ChatGPT to generate endless ideas tailored to faceless YouTube channels. It's a vast library of inspiration offering different topics to explore. Simply type your request, hit enter, and watch the ideas to generate. And creating videos for YouTube can be a daunting task, especially if you're just starting out. But what if I told you there's a tool out there that can simplify the process for you? Step 2. Creating videos with AI. Let's say you have a passion for travel and you want to share your experience with the world. You've always dreamed of making captivating videos about your adventures in Rome, showcasing the stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture. But there's just one problem. You're not exactly a video editing whiz. That's where InVideo AI comes in. This innovative tool takes the hassle out of the video creation by allowing you to simply type in a sentence, click a button, and voila! You have a professional-looking video. No fancy editing software or technical skills required. Let me walk you through how it works. First, you'll need to sign up for InVideo AI using the link in the description below. Once you're logged in, just type in a topic and some instructions and let the AI work its magic. Within minutes, you'll have a custom video ready to go. But don't just take my word for it. Let's take a look at an example. So you want to create a video about the best islands to visit in Rome. Simply input your request into the AI, select your preferences for length, voiceover, and style, and hit generate. In no time, you'll have a professional quality video that's ready to upload to your channel. But here's where it gets really exciting. InVideo AI isn't just a one-trick pony. It also allows you to customize your videos even further, adding special details like tone, humor, and music to make your content truly stand out. And the best part? InVideo AI offers a free plan, so you can try it out risk-free. If you decide to upgrade to a paid plan, you'll get access to even more features like royalty-free stock clips, human-sounding voiceovers, and automatic subtitles. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is it really worth it to invest in a tool like this? Well, let me break it down for you. As a content creator, your time is valuable. By automating the video creation process with InVideo AI, you can save hours of tedious work and focus on what really matters, creating engaging content for your audience. Plus, think of your YouTube videos as digital assets. Over time, they have the potential to generate passive income for you, meaning that a $20 investment could pay off big time in the long run. Now, imagine scrolling through YouTube, searching for something to watch. Then, upon scrolling, you see several cool things to watch, but something stops you from scrolling. It's not the title, it's not the content, it's the thumbnail. That tiny image has the power to either draw you in or push you away. Step 3. Designing eye-catching thumbnails. Think about it. Before anyone reads your title, they see your thumbnail. It's like the cover of a book. It needs to be catchy enough to make them want to see what's inside. So, how do you make a killer thumbnail? First things first, you need the right image. Head over to a site like pixels.com and find a high-quality, captivating photo related to your video. Remember, lighter images tend to perform better on YouTube. Once you've got your image, it's time to head to canva.com. Canva is a game changer for creating thumbnails. It's simple, it's user-friendly, and best of all, it's free. Start by selecting the YouTube thumbnail template. Upload your chosen image and resize it to fit perfectly. The font you choose can make or break your thumbnail. Play around with different styles until you find one that grabs attention. And don't forget to add a black border or shadow to make your text pop, especially on mobile screens. But we're not done yet. Adding icons or graphics related to your video can take your thumbnail to the next level. It's all about conveying the message of your video at a glance. A plain icon for a travel video, a globe for a geography lesson, you get the idea. Sure, there are AI programs out there that claim to make thumbnails for you, but none of them can match the personal touch you bring to your own thumbnails. Remember, it's the first impression your video makes, so make it count. Let's talk about the psychology psychology behind thumbnails. Did you know that humans are highly visual beings? Studies show that we process images faster than text. That's why your thumbnail needs to convey the essence of your video in a split second. Think about the last time you clicked on a video. What made you stop scrolling and click? Chances are, it was the thumbnail. Another important aspect to consider is consistency. Your thumbnail should reflect your brand and style. Whether it's the color scheme, font choice, or overall aesthetics, consistency breeds familiarity. Viewers should be able to recognize your videos at a glance just by looking at the thumbnail. So the next time you upload a video, don't overlook the power of the thumbnail. Step 4. It is as important as the thumbnail. Selecting the title. Viewers spot the title after the thumbnail, confirming what your video offers. I prefer short, precise titles infused with relevant keywords. Each video demands unique attention. If you're stuck, research existing titles for inspiration, but don't mimic them. Crafting original titles is the key to standing out and building your channel's identity. Step 5. So you're ready to set up your YouTube channel, but where do you start? First off, you'll need a Gmail account. With that in hand, signing into YouTube is easy. Once you're in, hit the Create a Channel button, tweak your name and handle, and you're good to go. Say you've got a passion for travel and want to share your adventures with the world. You've already filmed your first few videos, but now it's time to get them out there. Here's how. Number 1. Creating a killer profile picture. Head over to Zara.com and input your channel name. Choose a snazzy option that speaks to your brand. Don't settle for the first design. Play around with layouts until you find one that pops. Increase the size, screenshot, and voila! You've got yourself a logo. Upload it to your YouTube channel under channel customization. Next up, craft a compelling description that tells viewers what you're all about. Keywords are key here. Number 2. Upload your video. Hit create and select your video files. Craft a catchy title and description using insights from ChatGPT or popular YouTube tags. Tick the Not Made for Kids box, add those crucial tags, and don't forget to select your category. Hit publish, and just like that, your content is live. In less than 20 minutes, you've gone from nothing to something. But what if you don't want to be a content creator? You just want to watch cool videos and earn that way. If so, you might want to check out some of our videos about earning money while watching. See you in the next video!